Okay, Bishop, are you ready to eat a cricket? Dexter, do you want to eat a cricket?
No, thank you.
No, take your passy out.
No, thank you.
Okay, and put them on there. And Bishop wants to eat one.
Ooh. I want to eat one.
Okay.
I want to eat his leg. Diana, I want to make the crickets alive, so I'm going to blow them.
Don't blow them, Dexter.
Why?
Because I don't want them to fall off the plate.
Oh.
Is it good? Bishop is eating crickets. He likes it. These are real crickets with a little bit of like seasoning salt. I think it's bacon and cheddar flavor. Where's the box?
But I do that
Bacon and cheese.
without the
Let's
dad
see what
alive.
nutritional contents. They good, Bishop?
Look, Daddy. Where's his brain?
Did you eat his head?
Daddy, where's his brain?
I don't know. It's in his head. Did you eat it? Is it good?
You better have brains.
Dexter, do you want to eat one?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna eat one.
Can we save this one for looking at his brain? Daddy, eat that one. That one is pretty yummy. Can we look at his brain?
His brain.
Daddy. Bishop, no!
Okay, Bishop, let's save some for Dexter. Dexter wants to eat one, okay, but he wants to take a little bit of time. Okay, so
Daddy, you eat that one.
you can eat it, Dexter.
No, you eat it.
I just ate one.
No, thank you.
They're like pork rinds.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat that? Yeah. You bet. Daddy, can I have a cricket? No. I want to get this one's brain.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off. Good job, buddy.
No.